On Tuesday, 6 May 2014, Moshi comes alive again with Music Aquayor. You don't want to miss the sultry Lucian jazz and indigenous music that has come to define Moshi. Music Aquayor. Come revel in the rhythmic beats of La Rose group of Moshi, the secret band of Labon, and the Vox Service of Ye4. Sway to the sweet musical blends of the beautiful Trish. Be entranced by the Royal St. Lucia Police Band, and to top it all off with the four-time Calypso Monarch, Ian Fader, and Masters of Creole Music, TYP. Bring the family, take a drink, dance the night away. It's Music Aquayor, nestled in the Moshi Hills, Tuesday, May 6th. This event is sponsored by Platinum sponsors, Digicel and Invest St. Lucia. Gold sponsors, St. Lucia Tourist Board and Double A's Bottling Company. Agents for Crystal Clear Water. Silver sponsor, First National Bank. Other sponsors, Winwood and Leeward Brewery Limited. Agents for Peter Radler and St. Lucia Distillers. Agents for Bounty Rum. Music Aquayor, Tuesday, May 6th.